Indeed, a mega homecoming for Shubhanshu Shukla in Lucknow. Grand welcome for Shubhanshu Shukla. Currently, the homecoming parade is underway, as you can see in these visuals from Lucknow. The students are all excited to shake hands with Shubhanshu Shukla, to just catch a glimpse of the star astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla. So, from space to now landing in his hometown, Lucknow. These are the live visuals of the parade. Samarth continues to stay with us. Samarth, what next after this parade?
अब अपने परिवार के साथ यहाँ एकत्रित हैं, विक्ट्री परेड में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। उनके माता, उनके पिता के साथ तमाम बच्चे, जो हजारों में बच्चे यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं, जिनके हाथ में इस वक्त राष्ट्रीय ध्वज है, वो शुभांशु का वेलकम कर रहे हैं। इन बच्चों से भी बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे और समझेंगे किस तरह की तस्वीरें हैं। एक तस्वीर पीछे की भी दिखाइए, किस तरीके से शुभांशु पूरे परिवार के साथ हाथ वेव कर रहे हैं और जनता का शुक्रिया कर रहे हैं। लखनऊ हो या देश हो, सबने लगातार चीयर किया शुभांशु को, उनके साथ खड़े रहे और आज समय है उनका शुक्रिया
So the homecoming parade is underway in Lucknow. Shubhanshu Shukla is accompanied by his family in this parade, and the students from his school are waving the Indian flag and welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla in the city. He is heading to the school for an event, after which he will also be meeting UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Remember, he has already met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And grand welcome for Shubhanshu Shukla in his hometown. So after being at this International Space Station for over 2 weeks, now he's back in his hometown Lucknow, receiving a grand welcome. He was received by Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak at the airport, where he met his family. His family is also currently accompanying him in this homecoming parade, which is underway in Lucknow. We're showing you the live visuals from Lucknow. And you can clearly see the excitement on the students' faces who are welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla, waving Indian flags. And the teachers from the school are also there. So there you see Shubhanshu Shukla along with his family. This is a homecoming parade that is underway. The city is all decked up for Shubhanshu Shukla's welcome, and after this parade he will also be meeting Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. And Shubhanshu Shukla, the pride of our country, is now in his hometown, where he will be there for 2 days. But what we're learning is that he will not be visiting his residence due to security reasons. His security has also been beefed up. He will be staying in a government guest house. And though he can meet his family members, but he can't visit his residence. So Shubhanshu Shukla, along with his family members in the homecoming parade in Lucknow. The students of his school are also there, waving the Indian flags, just waiting to catch a glimpse of the hero, Shubhanshu Shukla. And he's there in Lucknow for the next 2 days. And my colleague Samarth Srivastav is also on the ground, getting us all the latest details and the visuals from the ground. Samarth, what next after this parade?
Well, exactly. As you see, the victory parade is on in Lucknow, and clearly the visuals telling you the story. The wide smile over the face of Shubhanshu Shukla, who is standing along with his parents, sisters, brothers, all together in one frame. And this victory parade, and also the number of students out here, have come in large numbers. As you see the pictures out here, which clearly depicts the excitement of the Lucknow, of city Lucknow, because Lucknow is the place where Shubhanshu Shukla completed his studies 10+2, and also not just that, but the school is also welcoming the students who have made Shubhanshu Shukla their topmost inspiration, are also welcoming them out here. आप लोग बताइए कितना खुश हैं आज आप लोग, आपके आइडल सामने हैं?
बहुत खुश हैं.
So you can see the wide smile on the faces. Thousands of students gathered out here in the sidelines of the road. This is around 2 kilometers long road show, the victory parade. We'll see the excitement. These are showing students in the form of astronauts.
All right,
Welcoming
Samarth,
Shubhanshu
thank you so much
Shukla.
for getting us all those details right from the ground.